Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, June 6, 2024. The Ministry of Transport will be reintroducing an aged vehicle policy to assist public passenger vehicle (PPV) operators retool and upgrade their fleet. The policy will allow for existing PPV operators to import motor cars up to 10 years old and buses up to 20 years old for use in the public transport sector. Portfolio Minister Darrell Vaz made the disclosure during his contribution to the 2024-2025 sectoral debate in Parliament Tuesday.
In order to ensure that these vehicles are used for the intended purpose, a lien will be placed on them by the Trade Board. We will be working through that and making an announcement of the finer details in short order.
Meanwhile, the Transport Ministry has engaged the services of a legal reform consultant to assist with a review of the Road Traffic Act, RTA. Minister Darrell Vaz says several concerns have been raised about anomalies in the law, and these are to be part of the review being carried out.
We also invite any other interested parties with concerns to submit it to the ministry immediately, as our review period ends at the end of June 2024.
The minister is, however, insisting that this will not be an exercise to weaken the legislation.
It is important to point out that the rule of law on our roads must be adhered to, and there will be no watering down of this legislation. Every effort will be made to bring the remaining Provisions Act into force. Let me hasten to point out that only yesterday, June 3rd, the Cabinet approved the revisions of the child restraint provisions, and those will be coming to Parliament in short order.
The Road Traffic Act was enacted in 2018 and the regulations in February 2023, bringing most of the provisions of the law into force. A $900 million plan is afoot to enhance the physical space of the North Coast area. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says instructions have been given to the Tourism Product Development Company, TPDCO, to execute this initiative, focusing on the Ocherias to Negril areas in the first round.
When you pass along here in Bengal and you go all the way through to Falmouth and you continue on to Montego Bay and on the other end you go all the way to White River, we will ensure a pristine space for the people who live here and for the tourists who come to enjoy and pay for.
The minister was addressing last Friday's ceremony to open the Old Folly Scenic Park in Discovery Bay, St. Anne. The park was rehabilitated through the collaborative effort of the Tourism Product Development Company and the Tourism Enhancement Fund. Minister Bartlett expressed happiness for the community embracing the development and stressed that the park and other such developments were meant for the people of Jamaica first, with the patronage of tourists second.
When we develop the products, we are developing the products primarily with the people of the area in mind, because it is their product. And it's a very important consideration that we don't want you to lose sight of. More importantly, that you know that we are not developing any product for tourists.
During the opening ceremony, a memorandum of understanding was also signed with Guardsman Hospitality Limited, which has adopted the area and is responsible for the maintenance of the park for the next 5 years. Contestants in the Miss Jamaica Festival Queen competition are to benefit from training and exposure through a partnership between the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC, and the Tourism Product Development Company, TPDCO. Both entities signed a 2-year memorandum of understanding ending May 2026 with an option for renewal. Persons who complete the program will receive certificates of participation, recognizing their achievement and readiness to represent Jamaica's rich cultural heritage. Executive Director of the TPDCO, Wade Mars, says the aim is to equip the young women with the knowledge and skills needed to become outstanding ambassadors.
Our collaboration with JIS, JCDC is built on a shared vision of fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of Jamaica's tourism products and cultural assets. By formalizing this arrangement, we are setting the stage for a structured and effective framework to deliver comprehensive tourism product knowledge and soft skills training.
Executive Director of the JCDC, Lenford Salmon, also expects the partnership to enhance Jamaica's tourism landscape by integrating and promoting our rich cultural heritage.
This journey is more than just preparation for a competition. It is a profound personal and cultural development experience. Our training programs are meticulously designed to equip these young women with essential skills, knowledge, and confidence. They delve into the rich tapestry of Jamaican culture, learn about our heritage, and develop a deep understanding of their role as cultural stewards.
The MOU will, among other things, educate contestants about the history of Jamaica and the motivations of visitors and foster an awareness of the importance of tourism to the national economy. It will also improve their knowledge and understanding of tourism and sensitize participants on the importance of HIV/AIDS awareness within the sector. And finally, the Caribbean Examinations Council CXC has reversed its decision to discontinue 4 STEM subjects at the CSEC and Cape levels due to low enrollment. During a virtual press conference on Tuesday, the examination body announced that it would continue to offer syllabuses for Cape Green Engineering and Electrical and Electronic Engineering Technology, as well as CSEC Agricultural Science and Industrial Technology Mechanical Engineering. The decision comes in the wake of widespread concerns about the potential discontinuation of the crucial subjects. CXC's Chief Executive Officer and Registrar, Dr. Wayne Wesley, says the path forward was clarified during a meeting with regional education ministers. He says the ministers emphasized their shared commitment to maintaining these subjects given their importance in the digitized world.
Accordingly, today's deliberations with the ministers of education reinforced the need for a collective regional marketing thrust to promote the priority subject areas in STEM or STEAM education and climate-smart agriculture, which are considered critical for the economic growth and sustainable development of the region.
Education Minister Favor Williams had previously declared Jamaica's support for continuing the subjects, given the government's focus on making the island a STEM country. During last week's post-cabinet press briefing, she shared that interventions would be made to encourage more students to pursue the subjects for which there was low take-up. That's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.